Right, morning YouTube people. So I'm at Surrey Rolling Road, which means it must be dyno time. It's been about 18 months since I was last down here. I did two videos previous, one when it was standard 315 horsepower and one when we went stage 1, and I think we made 363 horsepower. So we've been stage 2 for a while. We've got a Forge Intercooler on there and a Scorpion Sports Cat, and we've got the Racingline stage 2 engine and gearbox mat put on. All my stuff is bought bought from Awesome GTI up in Manchester, and all of the fitting and tuning is done by Ruben at Tuning Werkes. So we've just got a few cars in front of us, and then we'll get the car on the rollers and see if we can get anywhere near or above 400 horsepower.
Has he got the pump on it?
See, I'm not 100% sure, but it does feel quick.
My suspicion is that someone's done stage 2 plus and done the pump on it.
Yeah, but it ain't got the, if you open the bonnet, it ain't got the charge pipe or anything that you need to go along with it. So
No.
I don't know.
It's a good one.
Yeah.
The map's put spot on.
What's it meant to be? Stage 2 is it? Or
It's meant to be stage 2, it should be 450 to 460.
Possibly stage 2
Yeah.
You
plus,
know,
I'm not 100% sure.
it's a very good one.
yeah.
What
What did you do on your Golf? Was that stage?
Just stage 1,
And what did that make?
380.
380. So a bit more lively, yeah.
Yeah, it was good, yeah, I enjoyed it. Great everyday car, can't complain. Yeah, it served me well. I just fancied the change, something rear wheel drive basically.
Moved over to BMW. I shouldn't film him really.
500 foot pound.
500 foot-pound.
Nice.
Yeah, great car.
You need to get a draggy on it or down Santa Pod. Give us a run so I can see what it does.
Well, Max will spin mostly. It's what these do.
So I can hear the big intake. What else you done to this?
It's just got a E90 hybrid turbo
Okay.
on it, 535 injectors,
Yeah.
intercooler, all the sort of stuff, standard stuff really.
Did you have it on the rolling road standard?
No, this is the first.
What should they make standard?
200.
What are you hoping for? I love
anything,
asking this.
Anything around 300 I'll be
300,
happy with.
yeah. Does that mean 299 you'll be happy with?
Yeah, just about.
But you're hoping for 300, yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Fingers crossed, yeah.
Anything over 300, I believe you said.
I didn't expect that. Bloody hell.
70 foot man.
Yeah,
570.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with that.
No.
Repeatable as well. It's all good, mate.
Yeah, nice one.
Yeah.
What's that like on the road then? Must be a bit of a...
Yeah, it goes alright. It's
We need these 100 to 200 times, don't we? Because that's a lot of talk.
yeah.
So how come was you being conservative then?
Wow, when I had it max a couple of years ago and it made 315, but then I took it to RMJ up in Reading and I didn't expect that.
I bought 2 weeks ago with the same spec.
I thought you had a bigger turbo.
Bigger turbo.
Yeah.
And that
It's
went
only a
380,
hybrid,
390 or something.
It's only a
Yeah.
hybrid.
So I'm happy with that.
Very nice.
Yeah, lovely. I pay card, is that right?
Yeah, if I was like...
say that hasn't been flashed.
No, it has.
It has.
Yeah, and the reason it has, when you say it has, is the fueling's changed. But I'll, Charlie, find the old graphs. So we're making more torque, but it's just not translating into power at the top end.
The torque's normally capped on them to be safe. And they
410 foot-pounds now.
What was it last time?
About 400. Let me get a better scale up here so I can tell exactly. No. So we were 375 foot-pounds last time.
Yeah.
We are 405 foot-pounds now.
But no horsepower gain whatsoever. 3 horsepower.
That is held all the way up, right up to the top.
Yeah.
Until it drops back again. So, but it's a stage 2. We should be 380.
Yeah. I'm going to need to go back to Ruben at Tuning Werkes.
I'm afraid so.
And say what's going on.
The fielding's all spot on.
Yeah.
But yeah, not making what it should be.
Well, I've got to feel myself being disappointed now, haven't I?
Yeah. We're a bit quiet.
It'd come out like 380, 385. I thought that would have been, well, fair enough, it's made power, but not what I wanted. But to make no power whatsoever, 3 horsepower.
I had a guy chasing 400 horsepower for about 2 years. She changed everything.
Did he? Yeah?
We made 401. He was like, "No, I'm never going to run it again."
It seems the 7.5.
This is why it sometimes annoys me when I need to do a car. You get all the horsepower. Well, the fact is the button of matter is.
Cool MR2. How much are you going for?
Let's just say 350.
350. Right.
Yes!
That boost comes in strong at 4, doesn't it?
I'm not coming here again.
It works.
It works. I told you this girl's like it's like a lady. This car. You got to cheer right.
You're pleased with that, yeah?
Unbelievable. I mean, not unbelievable, obviously, Steve.
That's the highest it's got.
Yeah. Well, that's really good.
Yeah.
That comes in strong, that boost, doesn't it?
Oh, it's 2.2 bar.
Oh shit.
Yeah, she works, mate. I mean, it's only taken like 4 years to get there, but
I don't want to hear that.
What's the torque on that? 420 is it as well?
it's quite laggy, so torque's 370, 380.
Yeah, that's alright.
So, I mean, it's only 2 litres.
Yeah.
And it's quite an old technology 2 litre as well. It's not like these modern
I know. So
Golf R
it come in like an old Cosworth, didn't it? There.
Golfs. You can get like 420 horsepower and you can see 420 foot-pound.
Yeah.
The turbo technology's moved,
Yeah.
the VVT technology's direct injection, everything's moved.
I mean, the last spec of the NA of mine had VVTI, but it never came in with a turbo. That was the only annoying thing with it. So they kept this engine because it was in the Celica WRC car.
Okay.
So they just kept the engine because it was strong.
Boost, lots.
Right, that's me done. Not too good results, to be honest. So we made, last time I think we was on 375 foot-pound of torque and we're up to 410. But the horsepower only went from 363 to 366.9. So less than 4 horsepower from stage 1 to stage 2. Right, scrap that last video. I'm back in the car. It's now 4 months later. I stopped that video because it annoyed me, man. I was more annoyed than what I thought. I went back to Tuning Werkes, had a word with them, and I got a new map flashed from Racingline. Apparently my map was an original map from back in 2016. They had a latest model that was released in July, just before I went to get it dynoed. So I've now had that new map put on. So it's a brand new Racingline map for the Mk7 Golf R. So it's 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm heading down to Surrey Rolling Road and the car's going back on the dyno. So give me a few minutes and I'll be there.
Never mention that when you got a YouTube with the camera in there.
What a day for a rolling road. It's chucking it down with rain here, so I think we've got to dry the tyres out first. But we're back on the rollers. I was hoping there'd be no one here in case it's a low reading again.
Just me.
And the internet.
And the internet,
Yeah. We'll see what happens. So, as I said in the earlier video, we made 363 on a stage 1 and only 366 on a stage 2. So there was something wrong with the map. So we've had it reflashed and we're going to see what it produces this time. So again, it's up the torque again, isn't it? Quite considerably.
Quite considerably.
Which is why I can feel the power.
Feel the power.
But it does seem to have capped that horsepower.
But the boost is like, it just doesn't seem to want to run any more than 365, 370 horsepower. No matter, that's 26 psi. Well, so the gauge says that.
On the gauge, yeah? What are you in, fourth?
In fourth, yeah. And the boost is like, it says 30 psi mid-range.
Yeah.
Fueling's all fine.
AFRs are...
Yeah, absolutely fine.
Yeah?
12 to 1, yeah. It's all good.
Okay, okay.
It's happy. 3 runs at 365. It's quite happy.
Well, yeah, you can see the intercooler's doing its job and keeping it cool.
Fine. It just doesn't seem to want to.
And that torque figure, it's keeping it a lot longer higher, isn't it?
Mid-range.
Which is
got
why
extra 25, 30 horsepower in the mid-range.
Yeah.
You know, so it's going to feel a lot quicker. It's just the top end.
I wonder if that's part of their map then. I wonder if they are capping the top end.
Normally it's the torque that's capped, not the top end.
Yeah, because it's the torque that does the...
It's not going to do any damage. That torque's absolutely fine. You know, it's a nicer map, but for some reason this car does not want to make top end power.
Yeah.
You know, because I think 390, we should be at 390 on that really.
With the mods I've got on it, yeah, with the I mean, it's still got a sports cat and not a D cat.
Essentially what we're saying is that it's all good up to about there. Oh, sorry, it's all got up to about there, and they just don't want to do anything up there.
Yeah. Okay.
But, yeah.
We've improved.
We've not gone backwards.
I'll see you in 4 months.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Might still be here.
All right, cheers for that, Charlie, mate. Right, back in the car. That's me done at Surrey Rolling Road. Did a couple of runs. You can see that the intercooler and stuff works because every run you do it produces the same power. So I'm pleased that it's not dropping power because of the intercooler. But I've not made that top end power that I wanted. I've made about 4 horsepower more. We're hitting 370 horsepower and this map should be making 387 at least. The torque has gone up. We've got a nice jump in the mid-range there. So we're holding on to 420 foot-pound of torque for, what's that, 2,000-3,000 revs more. So that is good. That is why it feels a lot quicker than what it did. It's just the top end is not there. So we're back to the drawing board. And I'll be back out in the new year and work out what I'm doing next. So have a wicked Christmas, everyone. And as always, stay safe.